Welcome back. Time for your daily AI update, and today's game changer. AI co-scientists are here, but are we opening Pandora's box? What you're about to see will redefine everything. Let's break it down. First up, Google launches an AI co-scientist. Superpowers for researchers or a slippery slope? Next, HP acquires AI pin startup Humane for $116 million. Is this a win or a ripoff? Starting with, Microsoft unveils Muse generative AI for gaming, worlds built on your gameplay, future or slop. Then, AI hallucinations in court papers, lawyers facing malpractice. Plus, NIST guts the US AI Safety Institute, sidelining crucial safety. Musk plans to replace government workers with AI, efficiency or chaos? Also, AI transforming hiring, ready to be screened by a bot? Telcos dial up AI, NVIDIA survey reveals industry trends. What does this mean for connectivity? Finally, NVIDIA BioNeMo unveils a massive AI model for biomolecular sciences, revolutionizing drug discovery, and US-made AI models used in war in Israel. Is tech crossing a dangerous line?